All right, the moment of truth. She's coming down. Oh, well, it's not where I thought it was gonna be. All right, guys. First time we got GrrMaro on our twin bush lift in the racing garage, and what we are doing, we're actually doing something we were supposed to do a long time ago. We put KW suspension on the car. You guys catch that video on my channel, but what we didn't tell you is we had to go to dinner with his parents, and we never put the rear suspension on.
Yeah, that was what, like months, a year
maybe
ago?
Maybe a year ago.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
So we'll show you guys right now. We've got KWs on the front, the
Yep.
V3s, variant 3s, and on the back is the stock suspension. I think the dude that had it before us put springs.
Springs, yeah. I think he did springs, yeah.
So tonight we are actually going to install our KWs, which are on the floor. There they are, super awesome. So let's get at it.
Yeah, so we're not doing a how to install video. There's plenty of those online. We're gonna show you what we have and then show you after it's swapped out, and then have Michelle test drive it and tell you what she thinks.
Yeah, so
easy, quick video for you guys.
Yeah, come check it out.
And sorry, I keep looking over here instead of at the lens. It's hard to get used to that, so let's get this done. So as we said, we have the KWs up front, and ignore these wheels, they're going away. And we still got the stockies back here with some, I think, Steeda springs that the previous owner did. Looks like a pretty easy install. I think we got 4 bolts up there holding this whole thing on, 1 down here, and swap them out. So it shouldn't be too hard. We're gonna get that done and show you guys what it looks like with the new suspension.
Lightweight wheels.
Designer wheels.
Super rad. With them adapters.
And the previous owner, it looks like they put grease on the studs in place of NECs. Don't do that.
Dumb.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Dumb.
I'm almost embarrassed that I've been driving a car like that. So, grease is not NECs, guys.
Stupid.
NECs is NECs. Alright, looks like we got 1 bolt down here holding the bottom of the shock, 4 up top. Boom, boom, boom. Easy peasy. We're gonna go ahead and get these swapped out.
Put on our KWs. Alright, so far Anthony's got the lower control arm pretty much all the way loosened, and he got the shock out of the control arm. And now he's taking off the bolts that are holding in that bracket. Well, it's like a mount for the suspension. Moxie's supervising in front of the fan. Shout out to Boxo Tools, as always, getting the job done. Awesome stuff, you guys. If you haven't caught my latest video on our new Boxo Tools and Toolbox, be sure to check it out. You can get all kinds of stuff from boxousa.com and get a 10% off discount with my coupon code Abbate10. So go check it out. Get yourself some tools. Alright, so here we go. KWs, V3s, here they are. Sleek, there's the click adjustment there. And Anthony just pulled out the OEM one.
Ugly.
Yeah, bulky, heavy. What's the weight difference? Well, here's the spring, too.
A lot. I mean, I don't have the hat and stuff on it, but I mean, who cares, really?
Well, we don't really.
They look good, man.
They look awesome.
They're gonna work good.
They don't have 100,000 miles on them.
Right.
So we're
This will be good.
just gonna get the spring mounted up on there and figure out how we're gonna transfer the top hat mount.
It looks like just take that off and swap her over.
Sweet. I'm being the assistant tonight, staying clean, babysitting this guy.
Car is dirty.
Or girl, I should say. Yeah, this car is filthy. It's gross.
We'll get these kind of eyeballed. We'll lock them in. Just kind of do a sit back and look, ride height adjustment on it.
The eyeball alignment.
Yeah.
We're good at those. And then you do get the little kit from KW, toolkit. Which is really hard to open one-handed. There we go. Oh, look at them decals. Oh, it looks like we might be missing a spare wrench.
It's probably in the car. I think I put one in there.
Boom. Super nice. Alright, so now that it's compressed, you can see the top hat mount is loose, so that's good. It's no longer under pressure. Under pressure. And we'll shortly have that off. Right, Moxie girl? Alright, sorry the music's so loud. Too lazy to go turn it down. We got the top hat on. Just tightening down the collar.
Top nut.
And the top nut.
Gotta get the right size. Yep, I'll get that tightened down, get it back in, do the other side. That's it.
Alright. Anthony got the right rear in.
Yeah, took the other one off, used spring compressor, took the big old daddy spring off. And we're looking to buy some Hotchkiss springs.
Hotchkiss.
Got the new one on. Had a little trouble with it, but I think I figured it out. As far as compressing the spring enough, it wanted to fall off the top hat. But we got it. I get that side done, and I set the car down and see where it's sitting.
Babe, what happened?
What?
Why are you taking that apart?
Because the guy who owned this before us and did the other springs put it together wrong, so I put it together wrong.
Yeah, so Anthony was finished with this side, and he went to do the other side, and turns out that goes there, not there. But there, I guess there's supposed to be another one on top.
Yeah.
So apparently he lost that piece. So we're just gonna roll without it for now.
It makes more sense to have the one on the bottom over having one on the top,
So yeah, the other side's done.
Well, like, I was having trouble with the spring popping out off the hat here. And I couldn't, it was really fighting me. That side with the ring on the bottom, no problem. So, gotta swap it.
Swapping it and then putting it back in. Alright, I see it's back in.
Yes, so it's all done. The spring sits way better with that washer on the underside, whatever. Not doing an install video. There's plenty of them on there. That's how Michele
saw that.
So it's all good to go. I kind of eyeballed where I wanted the suspension to sit right height wise. I have no clue where it's going to be when we set it on the floor. So I'm going to clean this grease off of these. Put the wheels on and set her down, see what she looks like.
Cool. Don't mind the dirt on Anthony's face. The car's been really dirty. He actually cleaned this side.
Look at that.
So you can see, like...
Molecule, orange.
Yeah.
Look at that. Like brand new.
Boom.
Oh, my.
Awesome. So we'll get the wheels on it after we get the grease off the studs.
Yep.
And see how she sits. She might be super low. Alright, the moment of truth. She's coming down. Oh, well, it's not where I thought it was going to be. How's your side look? The same?
Yeah.
About an inch and a half maybe off the tire. All right. I'll give you some bonus points. I had no faith.
All right.
I told him it was going to sit on the fenders. I said it was way too low.
Pretty close all the way around.
hey, for a starting point, that's not too shabby. Yeah. I mean, it's no race car, but well, actually, it might match the rears of the race car. You could whatever you call it, check it. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
I got about 1.5 inches back here. It's 3/4 in the front, so it's pretty close.
All right, so what's next? Test drive?
Yeah, tomorrow.
No, yeah, right.
But yeah, got the suspension on the car. Looks good. It was easy to install once we figured out the stupid washer thing. But it's almost time to hit the track with this bad boy.
Yeah, our tires, Federal tires, is what we're wrapping the Wed Sport wheels in, so those should be here this week.
So.
Well, there you go, you guys. KW suspension. We'll take it for a ride a little later and get back to you on how it feels. But huge thank you to KW. Sorry it took us so long to make this video, but between the motor getting done and the car sitting outside and all kinds of stuff, now that we have our twin bush lift, it makes it a lot easier to work on stuff. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks, KW Suspension. Go check them out if you're not sure about what suspension to put on your car. I run KWs and have run KWs forever, pretty much. I have them on my BMW, and hopefully we can get some on the Z. We'll see. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
All right, we are in the car. Moxie's just chilling with her head out the sunroof as usual, but Anthony's driving the car for the first time. What do you think?
Feels good. It's like nice and smooth, kind of soft. Going over the bumps and stuff, it's not so gnarly. It absorbs it a lot better. I'm sure those shocks were old and blown out, so.
Yeah, everything feels good. Moxie approves. She's very comfortable in the car. This is like where she stands.
That's all that matters.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks guys for checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, post them up below. And we'll guys keep you informed with the other stuff we do to Project GrrMaro. We're really loving it so far. Got our Skosh integrated touchscreen unit. Kingpin hooked us up with some awesome audio stuff. We got some little speakers up in the corner there. And yeah, we've got more to come though, so stay tuned. Thanks guys for watching.